Hello, in this video I show you how to fix NVENC error when using OBS. This happens when your computer uses NVIDIA graphics card. Follow these steps to fix this error. You download the software called GeForce Experience. After downloading, I installed GeForce Experience on the computer with an error. After completing the installation, you create a free account. Next, use the account you just created to log into NVIDIA. This software will detect the remaining drivers on your computer. You just need to download and install the missing driver on your computer. The software may require you to restart your computer to apply the changes. After my computer restarted, the NVENC error was fixed. Wishing you success with this method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.